Hello and welcome to the third and final draw from the job lot that I bought for £20 locally from Facebook Marketplace. This is the final draw, and let's see what we have in this one. We have a necklace that says yay! A brand new necklace, and it says yay! Actually, it's not a necklace, it's a mirror. Well, that's fun. And a baggie. Oh, with some more baggies inside. Always useful. And a little message that says, one day I'll fly away. Hang on to your dreams. Cute. Little teddy bear brooch. Very sweet little teddy bear brooch. We'll definitely sell him as he is. And a coaster, of course. This is a necklace, very tangled, with a picture of someone's dog on it. Very cute little dog. Sweet. Oh. Fox pin brooch. Crafty fox pin brooch. Oh, he's sweet. I think we'll just sell him as he is. I think that's somebody's made him out of resin, but he's very cute. We can just sell him as he is. And a pair of Corocraft vintage clip-on earrings. Well, they're rather nice. Nice to have something that's vintage. They are really nice. Yep, we'll definitely just sell those exactly as they are. Nice to have the original packaging as well. Very sweet. Definitely sell those. And we have some dice, which say there's some fun bits in this lot. Maybe, yes, no, maybe. Cooking, shopping, having a hot bath, cleaning, cup of tea. Red wine, chilled white wine, mineral water, vodka and something. Gin and tonic. Great. Just knocked my glasses onto the floor. They're really sweet. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but they're fun. I'll pick my glasses up. And some more dice. Right, what do these ones say? This says, complain now. Nap once a day. Recline next week. Gripe often. They're a bit of fun, aren't they? Definitely a bit of fun. We've got lots of boxes in this, but in this lot, this is another. It says smile and little handbag mirror. Always useful. Always useful to have a handbag mirror. And in this box, we've got, oh, another special mum, Mother's Day. I'm not sure what you're meant to do with those. I presume we put them on your keyring or something. Rather nice. We'll do something with those. Right. And we've got some Avon boxes. Let's see what's in the box. This, oh my word. It's a pair of earrings. These are real statement earrings. Look at those. Clip-on. Absolutely massive clip-on earrings. Real statement pieces. They've got a maker on them. Just not sure that these will be Avon. Maybe they are. Maybe they're not. No, I cannot see a maker's mark on them at all. They are rather fabulous, aren't they? Look at the size of them. I mean, next to my hand, they are fab. Well, maybe they are Avon. they're brilliant. Brilliant pair of clip-on earrings. I'll sell those. Oh, and oh, look at these. I think this is another pair of clip-on earrings. They are absolutely, you think of 80s power dressing. These are real statement earrings. Again, I can't see a maker's mark. These are fantastic, aren't they? No maker's mark. Did Avon make earrings like this? Don't know. Tell me in the comments if you think they did. Just wonder if somebody's reused the boxes. Many, 20 odd years ago, I used to be an Avon lady, and I don't remember them ever having anything like that. But maybe that was before my day. And oh, another pair of really cute earrings. These are, again, clip-ons. No maker's mark. Avon used to often put Avon on their earrings. Lovely pair of clip-on earrings. And another pair. Oh. Another pair of clip-on earrings. Oh, they're very, very 60s looking. They're black and white. Love them. Brilliant. Brilliant pair of clip-on earrings. Absolutely superb. Oh, and oh wow, look at these. Look at those. Excuse me. Some of this is a bit dusty. Oh, they're fab, aren't they? They're really huge. Huge. Wonderful clip-on earrings. Vintage. Fantastic. Fantastic earrings. Love them. Love them. Love clip-on earrings. And here we have a pair of, these are round. I don't think anything's going to have a maker's mark on it, but aren't they superb? Big round hoops. Big round hoops. Fantastic. Oh, this sounds like a chain. Oh, there we go. That's a chain. And a pair of earrings. Matching set. They're rather pretty. But yeah, there's no maker's mark on this one. I'm just following a trend here that there's no maker's marks. Again, no maker's mark. Aren't they lovely? Aren't they lovely? Matching set. All the stones are there. Oh, we have got a maker. Hold your horses. See who made this. Oh, believe it or not, it's Avon. It is Avon. Well, there. I stand corrected, but what a beautiful set that is. That lovely. Lovely. Maybe they're all Avon. I will have to Google lens them. And this is a brooch. Vintage brooch. Again, no maker on it. But nice, simple, elegant vintage brooch. Lovely. Lovely. And last but not least, in this little lot, we have a big red box, which has got a, oh, this is by Salus. Salus necklaces are sold in my local, what's the shop called? It's a high street shop. This is a very large industrial feel heavy necklace. So there's another one that we can sell just as it is. Yeah. I'm trying to think of the name of the shop. TJ Hughes. TJ Hughes, our local one of those sells salute necklaces, which is just a high street. But still, a super necklace. What a super little box. Love all these clip-on earrings. Love them. Absolutely. And there is a market for clip-on earrings. A very strong market. So that was a brilliant little box. Quite a quick unbagging this time, but great. Great to have so many pairs of clip-on earrings. And interesting little bits. I say, not quite sure what I'm going to do with the dice. Probably just play with them. I do like the fox. I'm sure somebody else will like him as well. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you if you watched all 3 parts. Oh. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye-bye. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you can. Which was your favourite piece? Thank you. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.